The new upgraded Drone E88 Pro is a user-friendly and feature-rich quadcopter designed for kids and beginner pilots. This drone stands out with its 4K dual-camera system, optical flow positioning, and a convenient screen remote control. With a foldable and compact design, the E88 Pro is a great choice for those new to aerial photography and provides a fun, safe, and intuitive flying experience. Dual camera system with optical flow. The E88 Pro features a 4K HD dual camera system, with an electric adjustable camera on the front and a bottom-mounted high-definition camera. This dual lens setup allows you to switch between cameras for different perspectives and capture dynamic aerial shots. The drone also uses optical flow visual hovering, which helps it maintain a stable position for clearer photos and videos. Screen remote control. A major selling point of this drone is its screen remote control, which allows you to see the live video feed directly on the controller. This eliminates the need to connect your phone, providing a more streamlined and intuitive flying experience. The remote operates on a 2.4G signal with a control distance of approximately 100 meters. Compact and portable design. The E88 Pro has a highly portable foldable design. It shrinks from an unfolded size of 25 by 25 by 5.5 centimeters to a compact 13 by 7 by 5.5 centimeters, making it easy to carry in a bag or pocket. This portability, combined with its lightweight build, makes it perfect for outdoor adventures and travel. Intelligent and fun flight modes. The drone is packed with intelligent flight features that make it easy and fun to fly. It includes one-key takeoff or landing, headless mode, and multi-speed switching to suit different skill levels. Creative features like gesture photography, trajectory finger stroke, MV production, and beauty filters allow you to capture unique and shareable content with ease. User-friendly and safe for kids. With its durable ABS construction and user-friendly controls, the E88 Pro is a great toy for boys and kids. The gravity sensing feature allows you to control the drone by simply tilting your phone, adding a fun new way to fly. The bright LED lights also make it easy to track during nighttime flights. The drone is powered by a 3.7V large-capacity lithium battery, offering an endurance of about 8 to 10 minutes of flight time. In summary, the new upgraded Drone E88 Pro is an excellent and accessible choice for a beginner's quadcopter. Its combination of a 4K dual-camera system, a convenient screen remote control, and a portable design makes it a top-tier toy in its class. With a variety of intelligent and fun flight modes, the E88 Pro is a great gift for anyone looking to get started in the world of drones. Comment below if this is your next drone, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone reviews.